Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's now Lux Lashes and Beauty. I thought of this really great idea for a lid to practice on your doll head. That way the practice lashes don't move. And it came out really well. And I'm gonna do the other eye now just to show you guys how I did that. I'm probably not the first to come up with this idea, but it really works. And as long as you have some of this foam tape, it will work. So let's see here, I just cut a piece across and now I'm going to take a pin. This pin's not working. So yeah, I grabbed another one and just measure the lid. It doesn't have to be perfect, just cut out a half circle. The doll head eyes are really small, so you don't need a very big piece. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video so we could share this tip with the lash community and for anyone who wants to practice lashes while we are in quarantine. We have all this extra time, so that's a good thing for lash practicing. And then take these strips here, the practice ones. I get these on Amazon by the brand Lash. They're very fragile, so just be careful. And we're just going to stick that on the sticky side. Just like that. And if there's any excess, you can just trim that off. Oh, let's see, I'm just fixing it. Okay. So here I only did one, but you can stack them to mimic real lashes to get those layers or to have more lashes. But if you're just starting off lashing, I would probably just recommend the one lash across. That way you can just practice, isolation. It gets harder when you stack up the practice lashes. Yeah, because just the most important thing is just isolation when it comes to lash extensions. So I'm just using this isolation tweezer. See, it works out perfect. So yeah, share this video and let me know how this works for you guys if you try it out. And thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video.